Look at those. So these are the mussels, garlic butter, tiger bread with mother.
And a glass of wine.
So we've done 2 packets this time, so it's a bit harder to... Usually I just do 1 packet.
Yeah, but there's 2 of us, so we're greedy.
No, we've done 4 packets. Usually I do 2 packets.
1 for me and 3 for Janine.
How can you get the sauce?
Here.
I mean, Mum tries to make it lovely and pretty. You go. But, look at that, tiger bread. Oh, that looks gorgeous on there. Mum said, do I need a fork? I'm going to show Mum how I do it. How do you eat yours?
I'm going to dip it when I get the bloody sauce.
That's too bright, you can't really see. That, Michelin. Right, so you find a big juicy dad, Mum. Right? Find a big juicy dad. And they are your pinchers. Get that? Pinch them out. That's how we're going to do it. Look at these. If nobody's tried these before, which I know you have, try them. This is what we're having.
God, they're lovely.
Are you pinching it?
No, I can't get them out. Fuck, too much work for them.
Mum's got 2 fat fingers.
Yep.
I really laughed when you called me a soft bag. That's just an actual language for us. Isn't it? Also,
Janine, try your bread in it.
I'm gonna. Also, while I've got you here, people say you look foreign, and they asked if you were from Italy, and I said no, my dad's from Sicily. Where are you from, Mum, again?
I'm from England. Great Torrington.
Yeah, but you lived in Germany, and that's why I think you've got an accent.
Yeah.
Everybody says you've got an accent, even my friends.
It's because we immigrated to Germany.
Immigrated? Can we not use that word on here?
Of course you can. Anyone, you can immigrate anywhere you want. We immigrated to Germany 1969, and I went around the world, was 16 and a half, living here and there.
So you're telling me you're an immigrant?
No, I'm not an immigrant. I immigrated.
Is she saying the right word?
Yeah, you telling people.
You went to go and live over there for a while, basically, yeah?
Try the bread, Janine.
This is what I don't have when I do it with mine.
Look at that, Janine.
That was good. And Mum did the garlic butter.
Yeah, but you mashed it.
Yeah, I mashed it. So I practically made it.
That's why you look so messy.
How are you supposed to mash butter?
Nicely.
This is gorgeous.
Yeah, you guys don't know what you're missing.
Want to come over?
Yeah. With that little bread. Have a slice of bread.
Have a slice of bread. Alright, Anyway, this was the mussels that people wanted to see. Have a good day.